Hello everyone, friends on color below. Today I will show you how to make a laptop like new. Accordingly, yes, again. This is done by resetting it to factory settings, and this is done through settings. Here we go to the Windows update. Next, we need to click on more options. Next, we need to click on accordingly recovery, yes, recovery. And here we have to click reset this PC. Click reset this PC. You choose here, well, depending on what you need, but rather you'll need to reset it entirely. All files will be deleted. Well, like what can you do? Click delete all. And accordingly select here to install Windows from a computer, yes, and click next, after which everything will reset and the laptop will work as after your purchase. That's all. Baylor was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.